Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the camera control button not working on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. If you have issues with the camera control button not working at all, then let me try to help you. So first thing that we can do is go to the settings. In the settings we can go to general, and first we need to make sure that our iOS is up to date. If you have an update, then of course you want to download it and install it on your iPhone in order to make sure that we have the newest version of our software. After that, what we can do is go back to the settings, and this time we're gonna go to the camera, and over here we can tap on the camera control in order to find these options. Make sure that the camera control is actually enabled, that we can launch, for instance, camera with the single click or double click, it's up to you, and that we want to, for instance, open the camera. Now another thing that we can do is once again go back to the main menu of the settings, but this time we're gonna go to accessibility, and then over here you should be able to find the camera control settings. Make sure that this option is enabled. We can also enable the show adjustments option in order to allow camera control to make adjustments. We can make the light press to be lighter or firmer, and we can also choose what should happen, or actually the not what should happen, but once again the double light press speed, so we can make it slower or just slow, or the default. We can choose the default option as well, but the main thing is that you should make sure that the camera control is enabled. If that doesn't help, if the control button still doesn't work, another thing that you can do is reset all settings. So this time we're gonna go back to general, and then in general we want to go to transfer all, reset iPhone, then choose reset and reset all settings. Of course you might need to enter your passcode and then confirm that you want to do that. There we go. And once everything is reset, let's wait for the iPhone to reset everything. And if that doesn't help, another thing that you can do is restart your iPhone. So let's open the control center. Over here in the top right corner we want to tap on the power button. Actually, of course, we need to tap and hold once again. There we go. And of course slide to power off, wait for the device to turn off, and then use the side button in order to turn it back on. And that's pretty much all you can do. If the issue still persists, if you still have the issue like I do, unfortunately this doesn't really help for me, although I found these solutions to be helpful for some others. So if you manage to fix that, then of course that's great. However, if you still have this issue, then most likely we will need to wait for the software update, another one, which would solve the problem forever. Now, if you manage to also find additional solutions, then of course feel free to share them in the comments, and also you can let me know as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!